Now I got the first one done. Well, here's the result of my project. And this was supposed to be a planter, but it didn't set well, and it's somewhat falling apart. It didn't exactly go as planned. I think I may have done something wrong. This was a bit of a failure, but I think I may have done something wrong. I probably didn't do something right when I was making this, even though I followed the instructions. So that's it for the video. Comment down below what else you want to see me do on this channel. Like and subscribe. Bye!